Hi guys, welcome to Comfort Life channel. It's Irina here, and today I am sharing with you the recipe for a massage blend. The massage blend that you could use for aches and pains, and of course we're talking about the muscle health here as well. I will be making a lot more videos related to that topic because there are really a lot of essential oil combinations that you could use for, massaging the sore muscles and for various other pains you might have. So stay tuned because I believe that you need to use quite a few to see which one works the best for you. So today, as I've said, we're preparing aches and pains massage blend. So, well, you have a lot of variations here. You could use any kind of bottle or a container like this for mixing up the blend. I will give you the amount for a little bit, so you could just give it a try, give it a go, so to say. I will start by mixing the essential oils. So black pepper essential oil, you can watch my video where I talk in details about this oil, and we are going to use 4 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4. The next oil I'm going to use will be chamomile. Well, I am using the Roman chamomile. So if you happen to have German chamomile on hand, still go ahead and use it. Another 4 drops here. And 4. Now the next oil, you have a few options. You could use either marjoram oil or Clary Sage Oil, depending on what you have really on hand. The reason for it is because we're using this in the amount of 4 drops again as muscle relaxant. It's also good for muscle pain and stiffness. The next oil will be 2 drops of lavender, of course. 1 and 2. I should also mention that instead of Clary Sage or marjoram, you could use helichrysum oil. It is a little bit of a pricey oil, so if you don't happen to have it on hand, just use either marjoram or Clary Sage. But helichrysum is very good for muscle pain and stiffness. You can even prepare some compress and just put it on the area needed for treatment. Now obviously we need to add the carrier oil for this blend. I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, the fractionated kind. So let's measure the 2 tablespoons. I'm using everything by Plant Therapy, so just make sure you use good quality products and of course good quality essential oils. That's very important. So now we close it up. And this is your blend right here. So as I said, we're not making a lot right at once, but this will be good for several uses, trust me. Well, the way you're going to, you will definitely perform a massage. And I need to tell you that for local issues like pain, injury, congestion even, you need to target your oils at the exact location of the problem. So roller blends are also very good for that purpose because if you put it in a roller, for example, while rolling around the area, you will kind of press into the muscle, right? And that will give you the blood moving and flush away any trapped fluids. So that is also an option here. And as I've said, you could use this daily, but it doesn't mean you need to use this particular one. Definitely check my other videos. I will put in the description right down below this video because the blends are different and we're also unique, so maybe that one would work better for you. Also in the description I will put all the precautions about every single oil that we're using here because it's very important to do a patch test before applying this in larger areas of your body to make sure that your skin is okay with it. If you have any questions, let me know. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please put the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you later. Bye.